and download your laptop. So the PyCharm is opening. Let's go to the files and click on the new project, then give any name. I will give as a circle because we were learning number of the circles, how it will create, and the cursor should be the in a center, and the loop must be continue. And remove this one, and we will start now today's project. Import the turtle as t, then press the enter and import the random modules, random. Then I will take the attribute as a team. Yeah, if you are choice, maybe the team Tommy, whatever maybe. And t dot turtle. I'm initializing this. Are you seeing the C circle? Let's see. Press the enter now. And give the parenthesis and press the enter. Then t dot color mode I want. Here is press the enter and I want to call the function now, depth function, and take any variable random. I'm taking random color because I want to generate the different colors for the different circles. Oh, and give the semicolon and r which is equal to random dot rand int. Under that 0 comma 255. That you want to extract the colors. Then rg random dot again rand int, same again 0 comma 255. There also we have to give color mode up to the 255. Then again same and b, and copy this same and paste here because it is the same. Then I will give as a color for I'm creating the tuples now in the parenthesis r comma g comma b. Then I will return this color. Then I will call it and I will give a name as shape for shaping the center. Then for that I will give as a gem. Okay. And I'm creating for this is a making statement for there is no any variable, so I am giving that for the range means it will it is an integer type, so I am and 360 divided by m. You want to use the semicolon at the end of the for. Then tim dot circle. Yeah, under that I will give as a 100 radius. Then again tim dot I want to use the color now. Color. I'm already created the colors. Random colors. Present. Then okay. Theme dot. I will that heading. That heading to the means it will turn whatever you give the input there. Then theme dot heading. Yeah. Theme dot heading. Plus n. Then I will call the function now. Such a shape. So n I will give as a 5. Then I will create green equal to t dot green. I will call this, and to remain the screen as when we put the exit, that time only screen will remove. So she will see the output randomly generating the colors and circle of 100 radius randomly generating the red and purple. Oh, sorry, slow. This so slow, no? I will give the speed. Dim dot speediness to increase the speed of the circle. I will give as a fastest. Fastest means it will move the circle. So then I will run the code. See how it is speed. How the speed of the circle is. It will after the one give subscribe for more videos like this. The next video may be the on the is based on this guidelines. So thanks for watching.